More's a magic. That'll be a couple of weeks. Yeah.
Hello, is this Mowers and Magic repair shop?
That's what the sign says.
Oh, I wonder if you would look at my crystal ball. It had a most unfortunate accident due to the proclivities of a certain pernicious pig. Ooh, the hammer of the Dwarven Kings. What a legendary item. It is
It's just a mallet.
Oh.
No big deal.
Oh, the rapier of piercing. I've always
Don't
admired.
touch that. The warrior who owns that has a very bad temper, and she will mess you up.
Oh, Falcrest will admire from afar. So, how much would it be for my crystal ball to be repaired?
$800. Just like the sign says.
$100. Falcrest foresees you will charge less than $800.
He will not.
Falcrest believes you will charge lower price than...
Out.
Falcrest is leaving. Falcrest should have seen that coming.
1, 2, 3, out!
Yes. Finally, I'm able to make the Cicada potion. Now I can create the potion that allows the ability for me to fly. It'll be wonderful. Oh, yes. This is the most amazing thing that can be done. Only once every 17 years can this be created.
Falcrest, you in there?
Enter, please. I am very busy.
Falcrest!
Yes, please.
So, Falcrest, what are you up to?
Oh, I am making the most amazing potion. It is rare and unique from these ancient texts. Yes, it is the potion of the Cicada. It allows the imbuer to fly. Yes.
Well, it says here that you have to go dormant for 17 years, come out, fly, but then you mate and then you die.
Really? Falcrest didn't read that far. Well,
Well, by the way, Falcrest, your crystal ball is done. It's going to be $800. You want to come by and pick that up tomorrow?
$800, Are you sure?
$800, that's the price.
Interesting. Perhaps, would you like a potion?
I'll take the $800.